Okay, so today is a good day. We had a good day at church. We had a good day eating our junk food after church and juice and stuff. We have not yet had dinner yet, but we're working on that. And Grandma was sitting here having a conversation with Miss Amanda on how well she would do as an entrepreneur. And she was explaining to me about her mom's business. You want to tell me a little bit about the business, Amanda?
Yes, ma'am. Well, first you introduce your name. Like, for an example, this is how my mom did it. And I'll explain how I do it. Hi, my name is Miata Pierre. I work at Fidelity in the office, and it works at home. And I had a really good experience in this job, and I had a good opportunity getting this job. And I think everybody should get it too. And then hold up. Hi, my name is Amanda Jackson. I had a good opportunity in the job, and I had a good opportunity to get the job. I think everybody should be in it because it's just a good job.
What is the job?
The job for her banner was It Works.
And so what would your job be?
My job would be...
Would you be a It Works distributor as well? You think that you would enjoy being an It Works distributor?
Yes.
You think you would be good at doing your job?
Yes.
I think you would be too, because you're very articulate. You like to speak. You speak well, and you enjoy reading. So, if you had a team of people, how would you address your people once you open up your meeting?
I would address my people good and explain to them good.
Explain to them about the business and how it works? How it works?
Mm-hmm.
Okay then. Well, I think that you're ready to go. We're going to put you on an It Works team and give you your own product and let you go out there and make some good money and take care of your grandma. How about that?
Okay.
You ready to go?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's go get some raps, and we're going to show you how to do a rap.
Okay.
And then you're going to do a rap on grandma.
Okay.
Ready to go?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it. Peace.